On today's episode, we'll take this super grimy fretboard and turn it into this here on Chicago Guitar Repair. Let's get going. Welcome to Chicago Guitar Repair. It's my first video messing with guitarists, and I've got something very dirty right here. I wanted to show you. I haven't touched it. I've had this for about a week or so, a little bit more, maybe 2 weeks. This is one dirty mamba jamba. This is an Epic. The nut's broken. Interesting. It's actually from, can you read that? Gibson. Very scratched body. I don't know. It's kind of got like a tunematic bridge, but the tunematic part is part of the stop piece. So very weird. It is just dirty though. Don't mind my block. My kid chewed this when he was a kid, so my wife doesn't use it for yoga anymore. I also use a yoga mat, very cheap. Today, I just want to cut the strings and clean this fretboard up. Can I pull you in here a little closer? Let me just show you this fretboard. She dirty. And you can see the nut here is like broken. Still sort of works, but I mean, it is dirty, dirty, dirty. So let's get it cleaned up. Really just want to focus today on cleaning the dirtiest fretboard I've seen. So I picked this guitar and a Strat up, not a Fender, but a Squire, from a guy who said that he just kept them on his wall as decorations. So that's kind of interesting. This is just kind of a beginner's guitar. Obviously, it is made by a company owned by owned by Gibson. Pretty cool. One of my first guitar was a Gibson, so I've got a lot of love for Gibson. $3 garage sale find. I'll show it on the channel one day, but for now, let's just get this one taken care of. These are my grandfather's snips. It's like a side snipper from Bernard Tools from like 1930, 40s. I don't know. These things work amazing. Use them to cut everything. Look at that. All the strings at once. And we'll retire those. Just pull these strings out. Oh, this is going to be hard. They're stuck in there. Oh, they're coming loose. Okay. Interesting design. It goes up under. I've only played with tunematic bridges before. I've never seen this. It actually does say Epiphone on it though. Interesting. This must be like an Epiphone product too. I know that Epiphone is Gibson's lower end stuff, but interesting. The bridge is actually, I don't know what you'd call that, bridge tailpiece. It's kind of like one and the same. But interesting it says Epiphone on it. I wasn't expecting that. My goal with this channel is just kind of show people how to work on guitars. I have another website. I'm building a website around this called Chicago Guitar Repair. Hopefully one day I can service one of your guitars watching. But I saw this trick. This guy used baby wipes. I don't know if you can hear my kid upstairs going crazy, but he just said he takes baby wipes to this dirt. It comes right off. Which I figured this would be a really nice guitar to try this on, because I don't have anything invested in this thing. Let's try with a little steel wool, see what way that happens. I mean, I think that's going to be the way faster way to do it, especially with this amount of dirt. Now, I don't know if I would do this on a nicer guitar, but this is a pretty low-end guitar. I mean, that's working pretty quickly. Let's take a little of our PRS cleaner. I feel like I'm wasting it on this guitar, but even the jack output is loose. Give that nice. Microfiber, way better than baby wipes. Let's just finish this video up with what should we do? I mean, if this was a normal guitar, you would take something like this and clean each one of the frets. Why don't we just polish them up a little bit, and then I'll moisturize the bed, the fretboard, and we'll call this video good. I'm gonna do some mineral oil first. So, I did a lot of research on this. Cutting board oil, mineral, 100% pure. I like this company, US Plus. I've used them for other things in the past. It does have an expiration date on it, which means it probably goes rancid, but mineral oil is pretty much the only thing in guitar neck polish. And then you have lemon scent. So I just went with this, and we'll take a look at how this behaves. Put that on. Let's apply this liberally because that board is really, really dry. Kind of mix this in. Look at that shine. It's soaked in enough. Let's take away some of the excess. So this will be interesting. I'm getting a little bit of in here. It's pretty good up here, but right in there, the frets are starting to get a little sharp. Maybe we'll try like the sanding block of wood. Just see if we can round this fretboard over a little bit. Have a little fun with that. Looks so much better. You can see right in this fret, look at that. It's like some, I don't know, the wood rotted away? Not sure what that is. Speaks to the low quality of this guitar. But you can see it's played. I mean, look at the frets down here. The first 3 frets really heavily played. That's awesome. It's good to see. Good to see somebody learn something on this thing. So, all right. Well, there you have it. We'll continue later on with this build, but Just want to clean that fretboard up and make this video and kind of clean over the guitar real quick how I do it. So I used, again, some mineral oil. I'll leave this link in the description, affiliate link obviously, and my guitar cleaner polish that I like is the PRS stuff. Actually, you know what we can do too? Throw a little bit of polish right here. Throw a little bit of polish on there. I'll take a corner of my rag, just get some on there. Just polish this up a little bit. Put some on these frets. It does more for the frets than it does for the board, but it doesn't hurt to have a little bit of wax. All right, thanks for tuning in, guys. The first video from Chicago Guitar Repair. How to clean a super dirty fretboard and lube it back up with some mineral oil. Check out the link in the description. Also, check out the website, Chicago Guitar Repair. I'm just getting started with it. I want to build it into something special for the community to help guitar players have more confidence working on their machines. So, thanks for watching, guys. If you want to subscribe, that would be super cool. And if you thought this was interesting at all, leave a like in the comment. If you got this far, say, I made it to the end. So you're one of the cool people. All right, peace.